Hi guys, quick demonstration of the KeilKraft Invader on the twisty wings. Here we go. So left, right, up, down. Oops. Down, up, left, right. Fast little servos then, aren't they? I think they're Bluebird something or other, I don't know. But the HV ones, so I can just use a 2S direct. Makes it a lot easier. Wasn't sure about how much movement to put on them, but that's full anyway. Looking at John Woodfield, I think they call him, his video of his KeilKraft Invader looks about the same amount of travel. So should be okay. I'll show you how the wings are fastened on. I'll just unplug the torque bar. Oops. Pull the wing off. There it is, simple as that. Piece of carbon rod, piece of plastic tubing. The torque rod for the servo holds it on basically, because it goes in from the opposite end. The wing can't come off once the torque rod's on until you pull the torque rod out. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, bye.